Today, I'm going to talk about why your soulmate feels out of reach and the unconscious blocks no one talks about. I'm going to share 4 tips that help me manifest my dream relationship, my dream partner, in the 4 blocks that you can start implementing now that no one really talks about on YouTube or the internet. So, the first unconscious block that is preventing you from manifesting your soulmate is that you probably feel unworthy of that dream partner, that perfect partner that loves you, that you desire with your heart. And to manifest your dream partner, you need to feel worthy. Like it's not enough just like a lot of people think that we're gonna feel worthy once we get the partner. Like once we get the partner, then we're gonna feel worthy because there's someone who loves us for for us, for being us, right? And most people get this like wrong because you cannot feel worthy until your partner arrives. You have to feel worthy before your partner arrives. You need to feel like the whole package. Like you need to really look at yourself in the mirror and say, why would anyone want to be with me? Why would my dream partner want to be with me? Like why is he missing out on life by not having me in his life? Like what do I bring to the table in his life? What value do I have that he lacks or that it would expand his life? So you really need to see yourself with golden eyes. If not, if you're just like, I'm waiting for someone to save me, I feel lonely, no one likes me, I'm only going to feel complete and whole and happy and beautiful once someone loves me. Like, guess what? He's never going to come, or she's never going to come because really our partners are just a reflection of us. So you're just going to manifest someone who makes you feel lonely and invisible and not attractive because that's how you feel. So work on that blockage and then trust me, you're going to be even closer or maybe even manifest him faster than you could have ever imagined. The block number 2 that I had, and I notice a lot of people have who come to me for one on one sessions is that they think it's going to be really hard to find. Like, um, I used to think this too. Like where is he? Is he in another country? Is he like somewhere, out of reach? And the reason why we think this, that it's gonna be hard to find or hard to manifest, is because we see them as so valuable, and we think that someone else wants them too. Like we just feel like we just put them on this pedestal, like, oh, it's gonna be so hard to reach the top of the pyramid to get this prize. And then you're in the frequency of searching, waiting, searching, thinking, where could they be? Where, and you cannot manifest anything in the present moment if you're looking for the future. If you're looking, that frequency of searching, looking, you're going to manifest it back to you. You're going to keep looking, you're going to keep searching, you're going to keep loading, downloading the dating apps, you're going to keep thinking, just expecting things to be a certain way when you're out at the gym or at the beach. You're like, oh, I hope he's here. Because guess what? I used to do that too. I'm like, oh my gosh, when I traveled in different countries and I was single and I didn't want to manifest a partner, I was like, okay, maybe he'll be in this country. And I would like get ready. And really, the moment that I stopped searching, literally, is when he appeared. The moment you stop searching is when he's there because you stop searching. You're not in the frequency of searching, of looking. You're in the frequency of the now. So that's blockage number 2 that no one talks about. The unconscious block number 3 that I also had, and I see obviously probably all of my clients have in regards to, manifesting a dream partner, dream soulmate or relationship is if you had toxic parents growing up, your body is going to not want to be in a relationship because it doesn't want to experience the same thing as your parents. Like your body's remembers everything, even if you don't remember the memories, because maybe it's been 20, 30, 40 years back. Your body does remember. Your body is so intelligent. It's so much more intelligent than your brain. So even if you're like, oh, but I want this kind of person with these qualities, all this stuff, your body's gonna remember. But remember, your dad used to hit your mom. Your mom lost her freedom. Your mom couldn't do anything in the relationship. Once your mom got married, she lost her freedom. She lost herself, and your body remembers that. So you need to uncondition your mind and reprogram your mind that it's safe to be in a relationship, that it's safe to be in a committed relationship, that you're not going to lose anything, that you're going to gain value, you're going to gain happiness, you're going to gain freedom. I struggle with this too. um that was probably, I always struggle with all these, honestly, but this was, I think, my one of the biggest ones, and that I finally broke through in this relationship that I am now. Like that I don't have to lose myself in the relationship. I don't have to sacrifice anything. My friends, my freedom, my travel, my uniqueness. I don't have to belong to anyone. I don't have to lose anything. I don't have to isolate myself. That was a big one. So if you really want that special person, like your mind and your body need to be coherent. They need to be speaking the same language. Your mind can't be saying like, oh my gosh, I'm so ready for love. I'm ready for, like settle down and connect with someone, when your body's like, no, it's dangerous. I don't want to lose my freedom. I don't want to lose myself. I don't want to stop living for someone, or I don't want to live for someone. Right. So you need to really dig deep, journal, meditate, and really listen to your body, because your body's speaking all the time. And if your body's not aligned, doesn't want a partner, you're not going to get a partner. So your body needs to be on the same page as your mind. Okay. And last but not least, block number 4 that is blocking you from reaching your soulmate and manifesting your soulmate now is that you might be focusing on the things that you don't want instead of the things that you do want in that specific person. So, for example, I also used to struggle with this before, like in the beginning stages, um, in my past relationships. And obviously, I made a lot of mistakes that I was able to fix it and not make those mistakes with this relationship. But what I noticed with my clients is that they're telling me all the things that they don't want. It's like they don't want this, they don't want to feel like this, they don't want to be treated like this, they don't want. That's great that you know what you don't want, but when are you going to focus on the things that you do want in the partner? And I completely understand, like you've been through a lot, you've suffered, it's been painful, it's been hard, and you don't want to repeat that past experience again. I get it. But the universe is just a mirror of you. If you keep saying the same thing, I don't want a manipulated partner. I don't want to lose my freedom. I don't want the cheater. I don't want a crazy girl. I don't want just the universe is just replicating what you're saying. So you need to, okay, you got clear on what you don't want, and now stop talking about the things that you do want in the partner, how you want the relationship to be, how you want to be treated. Really, like it's that simple. Because I also did this mistake before in my past relationships, and I did attract the things that I didn't want. And I'm like, oh, I knew it. I knew guys were like this. So you're gonna get what you ask for, whether you want it or not. So stop talking about the things that you don't want and just start focusing and talking about the things that you do want in a relationship. Obviously, not everything is combined. It's not like you're just gonna focus on one thing isolated. It's not like you're just gonna reprogram your mind and that's it. No, you need to also do the healing. You need to be listening to your body. You need to be feeling worthy, like all of it. But these are for sure the top 4. And obviously, There's always Ho'oponopono to like help you boost that your frequency, your alignment. Because if you really just, if your body doesn't feel safe and you're doing all the right things, the affirmations, the meditations, the vision board, it's not going to happen. So take care of your body. Your body is your temple. Your mind is just an assistant to your body. Really, your body's the king. And yeah, just watch how a much more balanced person comes into your life, a much healthier, aligned version of really yourself, because he or she is just going to be a reflection of you. Okay, beautiful people, let me know in the comments what you thought, if this helped you or not, and what other kinds of videos you guys would love for me to do. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.